was challenging. It was well worth the results, and yeah, it's something I didn't expect.
I introduce Paul to you. He's 50 years old and had a transplant 6 months ago. These are his baseline pictures. You can see here that he had a balding in the interior one half of the scalp with thinning of hair, more so on the right side of the scalp than the left. Today he returns for a 6-month follow-up, and you can see the hair growth. It's extremely good. It's high density, it's very natural hairline. Bring your chin down a bit more, sorry about that. And you can see here it's very good density, and it merges imperceptibly with the hair behind. Totally to face the wall. And this is the donor area with FUE. There's no trace at all that a transplant was performed. Turn back, please. So Paul, what do you think of your experience? Just tell us how it went and what you think.
Okay, well, it went at least the time I expected to go. It went a whole day, although it was a lot of work and was challenging. It was well worth the results, and yeah, it's something I didn't expect to be this thick, but it was excellent.
So compared to how you looked before the procedure, what do you think now?
Oh, I'm extremely happy.
Yeah. And how were the staff? How's the doctor and the staff?
Very responsive. I didn't need to ask for anything. Everything went pretty smoothly.
If there's somebody out there thinking of having a procedure done and they're a little bit on the fence, what would you say to them?
I would say do your research, make sure it's for you, and definitely talk to the Dr. Gupta to just put you at ease if you're unsure.
So one more time, you can see this is a 6 months. It's quite incredible. This is very natural, high density, and it looks really good.